In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use ChatGPT with Canva. Let's get started. First, navigate to ChatGPT. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the left hand side, you're going to find different option. Here over to the option GPTs. Click on it. Now you'll be taken to section containing all available tools and integrations. In the search bar at the top, type Canva. You might notice several similar results, including few fake ones, so make sure to select the official Canva GPT, which is usually at the top of the list or featured in the recommended section. Select Start Chat to launch the integration. Now that Canva is connected, you can ask it to create anything: posts, thumbnails, banners, presentations, and more. For this guide, I will be asking to create a simple Instagram post showcasing my weekend nature walk. Canva may ask for a few extra details, just fill them in. After that, you'll see a message saying, "Talking to connector, confirm." Go ahead and hit confirm. ChatGPT will then show talking to canva.com, and after a brief moment, Canva will generate your designs. You'll see a selection of clean, nature-themed Instagram post templates created directly inside ChatGPT. You can open them, edit them, customize them, or download them instantly. And that's all it takes. You have successfully connected Canva to ChatGPT and generated your first design without leaving the platform. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.